Welcome, my name is Bruno. I'm today at Addinor's Innovation Center, and I would like to introduce you HPX technology, which is one of the most relevant technology for additive manufacturing going to industrial applications. So we are happy to invite you to come and see the technology in action, where you are going to be able to experience in-house the technology, how well it's constructed, and also you are going to be able to experience additional technologies that complement the workflow. Finally, you will be able to see the main advantages of HPX technology, where I would like to highlight basically the other workflow that is well packaged in the technology, and basically also the automation accessories that you can see in action, and you can experience how well the process can be handled for industrial and production applications.